fan.
We're doing the number 8 trending. Surprising my boyfriend with a birthday getaway. Let's get into it.
It's your boy, Clarence.
And it's Vlogmas Day
6. I'm holding the camera so I can't put the other numbers. But yeah.
Day 6, you guys. As you can see, we got our big coat.
Man, we're leaving.
We're leaving.
We're leaving. And we're never coming back.
And you also can see, we don't have no kids with us.
We're traveling light.
So,
Traveling light, yeah.
as you also can see, we don't have VIP today.
Yeah, we don't even have Delta today. We're driving. We're
American.
American. That's weird a little bit.
Yeah, y'all, because we're going to the big NY, you know what I'm saying? The big city, my city.
It's not your
We're going
city.
to my city.
We're going back home.
I'm so excited because I ain't been to New York in so long. Y'all, I got a jeans interview. Want to get something to eat?
Yeah.
We got a lot of little snacks over there. But I see there's some restaurants around here. So, guys, hungry, we didn't eat breakfast. Ooh, I'm breaking out, child. There's a place right there, the Z Market. Grindhouse Burgers. I don't want no burger in the morning. We can get some, I don't know, a bagel. I'll get a bagel or something. We got like croissants right here.
Comment below if you're hungry.
Y'all, so we ended up getting bacon, egg, and, well, no, not bacon, egg, sausage, egg, and cheeses, y'all, from Goldberg Deli. And they be good.
Yeah, we ordered this place. We ordered this place when we home.
Ew, Claire's putting ketchup and salt on his, babe. I think they already put salt. Ew!
No, he said I had to do it myself.
Babe, that's disgusting.
I'm putting pepper too.
That ketchup is disgusting. I don't know how you just sit there and eat ketchup. What?
I'm sorry.
Wow.
Ouch.
I guess he's saying that because I got a pimple on the side of my face.
Queen!
Here we go.
Y'all, so we're definitely on American Airlines. No, American Airlines is not bad.
Like, you know, the shit you can sleep, like, they wait better.
I don't know. This is not it.
Remember when you and me go somewhere?
Yeah, but it wasn't American.
Yes, it was.
How you know?
I'm telling you.
Okay.
No.
Yo, he just asked for champagne on a flight and they didn't have it. He's like, I don't want anything. I don't want anything.
I didn't say it like that. I'm just saying, I don't know what to get now. My mom already made up. I'm on my way to New York. I'm gonna go lit. Can't go lit no more.
This plane is, oh, we ain't got no outlets. This plane was probably built in like 1995. Oh, they got an outlet? Look at this, y'all. Look at that thing falling off. Oh, we do got an outlet. Okay. So we will see y'all when we get to the Big Apple, y'all.
We finally made it to the car. Very confusing airport. LaGuardia has been like that my whole entire life. They've been doing construction for 18 years.
Oh, I hate that.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, why are you so jumpy?
What? I'm not jumpy.
Oh, look at the coat with your fur.
I love New York, y'all. I
Queen
really
is
love
up to
it.
something, guys.
I'm not up to anything.
Queen is up to something.
He always think he just make me
Because
laugh.
Queen is just not a good.
No.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, she just blows.
She don't have a
her
poker
cover,
face.
you know what I mean?
Blow
Like,
anything. I don't have nothing to blow. I
it's
just
not a
be
cover, it's
laughing.
just like,
I be laughing because like he always like just think that he knows stuff.
I don't think I know anything. I'm just
And you
saying,
always,
like,
like,
why are you
trying to ask
acting like that?
questions.
Though?
Man, I'm laughing
you-
because you're funny.
Queen, you just said I'm so excited.
I love New York,
Right.
y'all. I want to place here. I've been said it. Y'all know from my video when I first came to New York, I was like, I want to live here. I need to live in New York long enough so I can get the accent.
Very long.
How long do you think
Takes a
that
while. Takes a while.
Hey, yo, be son Mo.
You're around me every day. You still don't got that.
Hey, alright, y'all. So I'm trying to keep a secret, y'all. Listen. So it's Vlogmas Day 6, right? But right now I'm doing my makeup and we just landed in New York. So Claire thinks that we're going to a genius interview, but his birthday is on the 8th. in 2 more days. But we're actually going to be taking a party bus to the Poconos Mountains. And
Oh, Poconos.
Yay. Happy
Party
birthday, Claire.
I'll get dressed. He's like laying on the couch. It's really hard to get him to cooperate when he don't know what's going on. So
But you, your face beat, so he know you going somewhere.
this is what Claire is doing.
Claire.
He's laying on the couch.
He jet lagged.
Right.
Is that what you wearing? You wearing it? You gonna get up and straight go?
Yeah. Are you changing?
Yeah, I'm changing it. I gotta change. I can't wear this. I just know you be always saying when he gets to New York, he wanna get sleep.
You ain't got no kids, but then y'all listen to baby music.
Right.
That's when you know you're a parent. Oh, there you go, the baby.
Past vlogs. Y'all, he really do not care. Anyways, y'all, CJ wanted to, if you guys are wondering where CJ is, he wanted to stay with Trey and Armand this weekend. We've been begging to go over there and play with their little sisters and stuff and play with the kids. So I let him stay there for the weekend.
Y'all remember that video we did with all them children?
No, Lord.
When the party bus get here, he doesn't know, but Mike is on the bus waiting to record him. Oh no. All I know is
Okay.
Okay.
What's good, my nigga?
He happy. Oh, is that his barber?
Yeah.
I've only knew. What's the name of it, though? What's the name of it, though?
what's the name of our group chat?
I don't know. He just knows all the stuff. I don't see it. These same ones. No, bro, but I asked you to pull up and just. Oh, you know that smoke. What's the reason? Bro, I seen 7 joints. You know you gonna pull up with the shit. I seen 7 joints today. You didn't see no joints. He's lying. I'm like, bro, if anything happens, I know because of you. Because you get it. You're the one that telling everybody else be normal. Yeah, Mo, you the reason, Mo. Yo, what? You the reason.
Why y'all do Patty like that? Don't do him like
Ain't
that.
Patty in so long.
I know.
Yo, Queen, so you want to snitch?
Ooh.
We don't want Patty snitch.
Let it hear.
Yeah, say something.
Queen.
I like the glasses.
Yeah, I'm buying
They go with the jacket.
That's cool.
I got all the cash. I'm saying these my sons. Everybody up in here is my sons. Yeah. I mean, what's up?
Y'all got games here? You got Uno? You got Uno?
No. Don't worry. I got the game.
That's what I be talking about. They can't hold the water. He didn't hear it. That's why you keep people inside.
Yeah.
That's what gummies for.
Why you so loud about edibles?
Shay wanted to stay with Trey this weekend. You know what I'm saying? He a big boy. Mommy, I'm gonna go to Trey's house.
Oh, Sandy.
No, that's very nice.
Okay. Next night, yeah. Did you have a good day at school?
Nah, he didn't drink this. Y'all good.
What'd you do? You played and learned?
You running.
Shout out to Steve. Yeah. He might was a trigger. Yeah. My nigga Clarence.
Got on.
Birthday, he getting fingers.
Ah.
I want my niggas. Hey, yeah. My niggas winning. Yeah. John on the bus. If I get a cut, yeah, he trimming. Yeah. Yeah. You know I'm sinning. Yeah. Billionaire Boys Club. I'm fresh as fuck in my linen. Yeah. I'm rocking that shit. Yeah. I'm on the bus, long as fuck, I couldn't find a bitch.
Oh, Patty, no.
Oh, Pat.
I don't think everybody coupled up.
No.
You got him, man. You got him. Yeah, stop that. I mean, so obvious. She act different. You act different. Like,
You was acting different at the front.
Birthday weekend, y'all. I ain't gonna tell you where we going. We get late, y'all.
I'm still a little surprised. I'm not going to
At least he got his champagne.
Yeah.
He's surprised, right? Like, he's surprised, right?
Oh yeah, he's surprised
Yeah,
at
he
this.
definitely surprised. I saw his face when you did it.
No, but he gonna be surprised they're going to the mountains.
Oh, yeah.
Queen.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's on the line. I'm good. Yeah, nah.
Did y'all pack a bag for him?
It's a little lit.
Oh, it's snow.
Yeah, it's snow out here. It's snow.
Canadian first. Oh, you ready? Gotta put that hood on. What is this now? What's it?
Alright, y'all, everybody fighting over a room right now? We can pick whatever room we want, you know what I'm saying? We can pick whatever room we want.
Alright, pick one.
You know what I'm saying? But it's a sleeping couch, so this could be good for some other people. If you want. Y'all, it's
Okay, or you and Mike, because I can go with BJ. These have to be here too, so one of y'all can go with these, so it could be two.
You get to open today.
Like right now?
Right now, you get to open it.
She just wants you to open it.
Right here?
Yeah,
We're going here. Let's get it.
Yeah, can I get it downstairs?
Oh, I like that chandelier.
Yeah.
come on. Everybody's a party. Everybody. Hey. Man, we got red cups on the roof.
Somebody take that piece out of her jacket. What you think the surprise is?
Open it upside down.
We got mojitos.
I think it's a pain of the royal family.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
Or maybe his dad.
First, get you upstairs. I think you just open it.
One year anniversary again.
Oh, Fendi. Well, that's good. He opened it first so he could wear that
Right.
and not be cold.
Yo, let me take a picture now.
Our chicken candy pasta.
Okay, chef.
Got roasted veggies, garden salad.
That sound healthy.
Right.
I can't wait.
Good night to my life.
Wow.
What?
Now they bro, you talking, yo, these some good dry nuts. These good. I never had good.
Look, the baby got a covered leaf mouth.
Right.
The food ready, y'all. I know y'all playing 2K. but the food is ready. It's ready to y'all. Hey, man, food ready for y'all, man. This guy is up here, man. Cause the food, man. Shit. Alright, more food for me. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, it's the next morning. We had a crazy night. It was fun. Clarence is downstairs with all his boys and stuff. We about to eat breakfast, and I wanted to end this vlog. This will complete Vlogmas Day 6, y'all. I'm sorry that we didn't, we missed it at posting, but it was a lot that went into this.
Yeah, it looks like it. A lot of planning.
So I'm gonna have the videographer go give the camera to Claire downstairs and just have him say how he feel, and then we can end this vlog off. So I love you guys so much. This is my ending, and then next you'll see Claire.
What's up, Royal
Hey,
family?
birthday
It's your
boy.
Hey.
Clarence. I just woke up. I know I look crazy. It was a long night. Went to sleep dumb late. But I feel amazing. I really wanted to just thank Queen for this.
Aww.
This is dope. I got all my family and friends here, you know what I'm saying, for the whole weekend. And we about to just have some fun.
Birthday
I don't know what we're doing today, but I just know we're going somewhere where it's going to be really cold. I think like skiing or something, but so stay tuned for the next video. I feel older. I feel like almost refreshed though. Like this is dope. This is about to refresh me and like, you know, refresh my mental from like just, you know, just the everyday, my everyday life, you know what I'm saying? So this is dope. I love all these people here, so I think this is amazing.
You know what I'm saying? So make sure you smash that like button though, and make sure you leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe.
Y'all say happy birthday to him.
I don't know what you doing.
If y'all not subscribed, I don't know what y'all doing. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.